뉴욕에 사는 캐슬린 켈리의 하루는 조금 특별하게 시작되는데 얼굴도 알지 못하는 누군가로부터 도착한 이메일을 열어보는 것이 언제부턴가 그녀의 하루를 여는 가장 중요한 의식이 되었죠.
Brinkley is my dog. He loves the streets of New York as much as I do.
Although he likes to eat bits of pizza and bagel off the sidewalk, and I prefer to buy them.
화면 너머 조 폭스 역시 그녀와의 솔직한 대화에 푹 빠져 있었는데요.
Dear friend, I like to start my notes to you as if we're already in the middle of a conversation. I pretend that we're the oldest and dearest friends as opposed to what we actually are.
서로의 이름도 얼굴도 직업도 몰랐지만 오히려 그것이 서로의 마음을 더 쉽게 열어주는 열쇠가 되었죠.
Little words. You got mail. I hear nothing, not even a sound on the streets of New York, just the beat of my own heart. I have mail from you.
하지만 온라인을 벗어나는 순간 그들은 뉴욕의 복잡한 거리에서 그저 스쳐 지나가는 수많은 사람들 중 한 명일 뿐이었습니다.
The electrical contractor Cole's truck hit a deer last night, so he's not going to be here till tomorrow.
대형 체인 서점 폭스북스의 후계자인 존은 뉴욕 한복판에 새로운 대형 서점 오픈을 준비 중이었는데
Hey, you know what? We should announce ourselves to the neighbors. Let them know. Here we come.
Oh no, this is Upper West Side, man. We might as well tell them we're opening a crack house. They're going to hate us. As soon as they hear, they're going to be lining up to pick
at the big bad chain store.
That's out to destroy
Everything they hold dear. Do you know what? We are going to seduce them. We're going to seduce them with our square footage and our discounts and our deep armchairs and our cappuccino.
한편 캐슬리는 어머니로부터 물려받은 작은 어린이 서점을 운영 중이었죠.
Good morning, Christina. Good morning, Kathleen.
요즘 부쩍 미소가 끊이지 않는 캐슬린을 보며 슬쩍 다가와 묻는 크리스티나.
What is going on with you?
Nothing.
You're in love.
In love? No, no. Oh, yes, that's right. I'm in love with Frank. I'm practically living with Frank.
하지만 크리스티나의 끈질긴 질문에 캐슬린은 결국 모든 사실을 털어놓습니다.
Is it infidelity if you're involved with someone on email?
Have you had sex?
Well, it's not like that. We just email. It's really nothing. On top of which, I am definitely thinking about stopping because it's getting
Out of hand?
confusing. But not because it's nothing.
오래된 연인이 있음에도 단 한 번 본 적조차 없는 남자에게 마음을 빼앗긴 자신이 스스로도 당황스럽기만 한데
Forget it. We don't talk about anything personal, so I don't know his name or what he does or where he lives exactly. So it'll be really easy for me to stop seeing him because I'm not.
이런 캐슬린의 말과 달리 두 사람은 하루에 있었던 소소한 일과를 공유하며 서로에게 점점 빠져들고 있었죠.
Every night, a truck pulls up to my neighborhood bagel place and pumps about a ton of flour into underground tanks. And then the air is filled with white dust which never seems to land. Why is that?
이 소식은 금세 캐슬린에게도 전해지고
Carol Nightmare.
It has nothing to do with us. It's big, impersonal, overstocked, and full of ignorant salespeople.
But they discount.
But they don't provide any service. We do.
한편 존은 늦둥이 동생과 꼬마고모의 일일 베이비시터가 되어 진땀을 빼고 있었죠.
Love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, rockin' robin. The big black crow, flap for their wings, sing and go, bird, go, rockin' robin. Tweet, tweet, rockin' robin. Rockin' robin, country really go
Doing very well.
tonight.
Very happy. Yes. Hey, you guys want to go to a movie? How about a movie?
Oh, look, a storybook lady.
Well, are we at the right time? Yeah, let's go.
이곳은 다름 아닌 캐슬린이 운영 중인 모퉁이 서점이었는데요.
Then, as the sheer genius of the plot began to sink in, they all started grinning. They slapped me on the back, they cheered me, they danced around the classroom. We will do it today, they cried. We'll do it on the way home. You had the idea, they said to me, so you can be the one who puts the mouse in the jar. And this is her best friend, Tacy, whose real name is Anastasia. And the next was Betsy and Tacy become friends with Tib.
I want all of them.
I'll think
It's an
about
awful lot for your dad to buy at one time.
Oh, my dad gets me all the books I want.
Well, that's very nice of him.
Oh, that's not my dad, that's my nephew.
You know, I don't really think that he could be your nephew.
No, it's true. Annabelle is my aunt. Isn't that right, Aunt Annabelle?
Uh-huh.
An American family.
캐슬린은 눈앞에 있는 남자가 자신의 삶을 흔들어 놓을 사람이라는 사실을 상상조차 못하죠.
Kathleen Kelly, I own this store. And you are...
Joe. Just call me Joe. We'll take these books.
Okay. You're gonna come back, aren't you?
Of course.
See? That is why we are not gonna go under, because our customers are loyal.
They're opening up a Fox Books around the corner.
Fox Books, my daddy.
Likes to buy a discount, but don't tell anybody that, honey. There's nothing to be proud of.
F-O-X.
곧 들어설 경쟁 서점에 맞서 모퉁이 서점이 지나온 시간을 자부심 어린 얼굴로 전하는 캐슬린.
And it wasn't that she was just selling books, it was that she was helping people become whoever it was they were going to turn out to be. Because when you read a book as a child, it becomes part of your identity in a way that no other reading in your whole life does. And I have gotten carried away.
Yeah.
드디어 폭스북스의 오픈 날이 찾아오고
Just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright.
서점 안은 책을 저렴하게 구입하려는 사람들과 카페의 편안한 분위기를 즐기러 온 사람들로 정신없이 북적이죠.
The neighborhood loves us.
They're wondering where we've been all these years. They're wondering how they ever did without us. How's the children's department?
Well, it's early yet. School's not out, and there is that children's store nearby. Shop around the corner.
폭스북스의 오픈과 동시에 손님이 끊긴 모퉁이 서점은 비상사태였는데
They've been open 6 days, and we did $1,200 less than the same week last year.
Well, that could be a fluke, right?
Or not.
Listen, their store is new. It's a novelty. It will all shake out. Meanwhile, I am putting up more twinkle lights.
That's a fine idea.
What if we have to fold? I'm never gonna find another part-time job, and then I'm not gonna be able to pay my rent, and I'm gonna have to move.
며칠 후 연인 프랭크와 함께 출판업계 사교 파티에 참석하는 캐슬린.
How are you? Fine. God, Vince will be so happy to see you.
Congratulations.
하필 조 역시 여자친구 패트리샤와 함께 그 자리에 와 있었죠.
You really should go to a retreat.
Honey, will you get me another drink, sweet Amaryllis? It's a really great place.
서둘러 자리를 피해보지만 결국 캐슬린과 마주치게 되고
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Do you remember me from the bookstore?
Of course I remember you, yes. Hi.
Hey, how's your aunt?
She's great. Okay. I better go deliver this. I have a very thirsty date. She's part camel.
Joe, right? It's Joe, isn't it?
And you are Kathleen.
하지만 얼마 지나지 않아 그의 정체는 들통나고 맙니다.
I cannot believe that you were speaking to Joe Fox.
Joe Fox?
Joe Fox.
As in...
As in, he's gonna take over everything.
캐슬린은 당장 조에게 향하는데
You were spying on me, weren't you? You probably rented those children.
Why would I spy on you?
Because I am your competition, which you know perfectly well. Or you
경쟁업체 대표로 마주선 두 사람은 한치의 양보 없이 서로를 향해 거친 말들을 내뱉기 시작하죠.
A charming little bookstore. You probably sell, what, $350,000 worth of books in a year?
How did you know that?
I'm in the book business.
I am in the book business.
I see. And we are the Price Club. Only instead of a 10-gallon vat of olive oil for $3.99 that won't even fit under your kitchen cabinet, we sell cheap books. Me, a spy. Oh, absolutely. I have in my possession the super-duper secret printout of the sales figures of a bookstore. So inconsequential, yet full of its own virtue, that I was immediately compelled to rush over there for fear that it's going to put me out of business. What? What?
둘의 설전은 각자의 연인들이 나타나며 서둘러 마무리됩니다.
Caviar garnish? Do you ever feel you become the worst version of yourself?
캐슬린에게 퍼부었던 독서를 떠올리며 깊은 자책에 빠진 조.
Someone provokes you, and instead of just smiling and moving on, you zing them. Hello, it's Mr. Nasty. I'm sure you have no idea what I'm talking about.
No, I know what you mean, and I'm completely jealous. What happens to me when I'm provoked is that I get tongue-tied. My mind goes blank. Then I spend all night tossing and turning trying to figure out what I should have said.
Wouldn't it be wonderful if I could pass all my zingers to you, and then I would never behave badly, and you could behave badly all the time, and we'd both be happy? But then, on the other hand, I must warn you that when you finally have the pleasure of saying the thing you mean to say at the moment you mean to say it, remorse inevitably follows.
잠시 고민하던 그는
Do you think we should meet?
용기 내 하고 싶은 말을 적어 전송 버튼을 누르죠.
Meat. Oh my God.
앙숙이 된 두 사람은 얄궂게도 길거리에서 계속 마주치게 되는데요.
I'll take the arm from some old chair. I'll take the head. I'll take the hands and face. I'll get more loving from the dumper.
$72.27. This is a cash only line.
What?
Cash only?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I just have a credit card. I'm sorry. Is that okay?
No, it's not okay. There's a sign.
그때 조가 나서 공경에 처한 캐슬린을 돕죠.
Hello.
Hi. Do you need some money?
No, I do not need any money. Thank you very much.
Get in another line.
Hi. Rose. That is a great name. Rose. This is Kathleen. I'm Joe.
And I'm Henry.
Henry, how are you? Happy holidays. This is a credit card machine. Happy Thanksgiving. It's your turn to say Happy Thanksgiving back.
Happy Thanksgiving back.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Orange, you going to give us a break by zipping this credit card through the credit card machine?
조의 재치 넘치는 입담에 점원의 기분이 금세 누그러집니다.
So you're fine.
Fine.
Happy Thanksgiving. Henry, Happy Thanksgiving.
시간은 흘러 어느새 겨울이 찾아오고
Is a place from long ago. Remember, filled with everything you know. Place from long ago. Remember.
I always miss my mother at Christmas, but somehow it is worse this year since I need some advice from her. I need her to make me some cocoa and tell me that everything that's going badly in my life will sort itself out.
조는 흑기사처럼 캐슬린의 어려움을 돕겠다며 나서죠.
Is it about love? Please say no.
No, how cute is that? My business is in trouble.
Huh. Well, I'm a brilliant businessman. It's what I do best. What's your business?
No. No specifics, remember?
Okay. Well, minus specifics, it's hard to help, except to say, go to the mattresses.
이해 못할 이야기에 그녀는 당황스러운데
It's from The Godfather. It means you have to go to war. You're at war. It's not personal, it's business. It's not personal. It's business.
Business.
Recite that to yourself every time you feel you're losing your nerve.
조의 조언에 용기를 얻은 캐슬리는 더 이상 움츠리지 않고 당당히 폭스와의 전쟁을 선포합니다.
Cold cash. How Fox Books threatens survival of a temple to one of the 20th century's most profound truths.
기자인 연인 프랭크의 도움을 받아 여론전에 나서는 캐슬린.
Annoying. Pissing me off, actually.
Do you want the West Side to become one big, gigantic strip mall? Do you want to get off the subway at 72nd and Broadway and not even know you're in New York City? Can we save the shop around the corner?
We're here in front of the shop around the corner.
캐슬린은 방송까지 출연하여 폭스에 대한 비판을 이어가죠.
Because the big bad wolf, Fox Books, has opened only a few hundred feet away, wooing customers with its sharp discounts and designer coffee.
Well, I have met Joe Fox, and I've heard him compare his store to a price club and the books in it to cans of olive oil.
드디어 두 사람이 만나기로 한 약속의 날이 찾아오고
This woman is the most adorable creature I've ever been in contact with, and if she turns out even to be as good looking as a mailbox, I'd be crazy not to turn my life upside down and marry her. Would you go and look for me?
떨리는 마음에 선뜻 나서지 못하는 조.
Can you see her?
Yeah.
And
She's very pretty.
she is! I knew she would be! She had to be!
그런데
She look. I mean, she almost has the same coloring as that Kathleen Kelly person.
Kathleen Kelly of the little bookstore.
Well, why not? You said you thought she was attractive.
비서의 말대로 정말 그곳엔 캐슬린이 앉아 있었죠.
I mean, nothing. You're just gonna let her wait there all night?
Yes, I am. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Good night, Kevin. I'll see you in the morning.
이 사실을 알 리 없는 캐슬린은 하염없이 그를 기다리는데
Would you like another tea?
Yes, thank you.
그때 덩그러니 앉아있는 그녀를 두고 그냥 떠날 수 없었던 조.
Kathleen Kelly. Hello. This is a coincidence. Would you mind if I sat down?
Yes, I would. Actually, I'm expecting someone. Thanks.
조는 아랑곳하지 않고 맞은편 자리에 앉는데
Can I get you something?
No, he's not staying.
Mochaccino, decaf, non-fat.
No, you are not staying.
I'll just stay here until your friend gets here. Gee, is he late?
캐슬린은 더 이상 예전처럼 당하고만 있지 않죠.
I would find instead of a brain, a cash register, instead of a heart, a bottom line.
What?
I just had a breakthrough.
What is it?
I have you to thank for it. For the first time in my life, when confronted with a horrible, insensitive person, I knew exactly what I wanted to say, and I said it.
Well, I think you have a gift for it. That was a perfect blend of poetry and meanness.
Meanness. Let me tell you something about meanness.
Don't misunderstand me. I'm just trying to pay you a compliment.
캐슬린의 신경은 온통 문 쪽을 향해 곤두서 있었죠.
So who is he, I wonder?
The man who is coming here tonight is kind and funny. He's got the most wonderful sense of humor.
But he's not here.
Well, if he's not here, he has a reason, because there is not a cruel or careless bone in his body. But I wouldn't expect you to understand anybody like that. You with your theme park, multi-level, homogenize the world, mochaccino land. You've deluded yourself into thinking that you're some sort of benefactor bringing books to the masses. But no one will ever remember you, Joe Fox. And maybe no one will remember me either, but plenty of people remember my mother. And they think she was fine, and they think her store was something special. You are nothing but a suit.
기다리던 그가 오지 않아 캐슬린은 마음에 큰 상처를 입고
I wish I knew why. I felt so foolish. And as I waited, someone else showed up, a man who has made my professional life a misery. And an amazing thing happened. I was able, for the first time in my life, to say the exact thing I wanted to say at the exact moment I wanted to say it. And of course, afterwards, I felt terrible. Just as you said I would. I was cruel, and I'm never cruel. No matter what he's done to me, there is no excuse for my behavior.
존은 다시 한번 캐슬린이 좋은 사람이란 걸 깨닫죠. 한참을 망설이던 존은 조심스러운 마음으로 답장을 쓰기 시작하는데
I cannot tell you what happened last night. But I beg you from the bottom of my heart to forgive me for not being there. The fault is mine. Someday I'll explain everything. Meanwhile, I'm still here. Talk to me.
I mean, did he say anything about wanting to meet you again?
No, not really. Listen, it doesn't matter. We'll just be like George Bernard Shaw and Mrs. Patrick Campbell. We'll write letters our whole lives.
그러던 어느 날 평소와 달리 진지한 얼굴로 이야기를 꺼내는 프랭크.
And I'm so honored that you would want to be with me because you would never be with anyone who wasn't truly worthy.
I feel exactly the same way about you.
Don't say that.
What?
That makes it worse.
What? You don't love me.
Me either.
You don't love me?
No.
But we're so right for each other.
I know. I know.
두 사람은 마치 오래 묵은 짐을 내려놓은 듯 한박 웃음을 지어 보이죠.
What about you? Is there someone else?
No. No. But there is the dream of someone else.
시간이 흘러 현실이라는 높은 벽 앞에 캐슬린은 결국 서점을 내려놓게 됩니다.
I came here every Saturday when I was a little girl. And I remember when your mother gave me Anne of Green Gables. Read it with a box of Kleenex, she said. That's what she told me.
Could someone help me?
She's looking down on you right now.
I'm sure she is.
Why don't we bomb Fox Books?
마지막 영업을 마치고 돌아오는 발걸음이 한없이 무겁게만 느껴지는데 자신의 예상과 달리 정성껏 꾸며진 어린이 코너와 아이들의 밝은 표정을 바라보며 캐슬린의 무거웠던 마음이 왠지 모르게 한결 가벼워지죠.
Do you have the shoe books?
The shoe books. Who's the author?
I don't know. My friend told me my daughter has to read the shoe books, so here I am.
Noel Stretfield. Noel Stretfield wrote ballet shoes and skating shoes and theater shoes and dancing shoes, and I'd start with ballet shoes first. It's my favorite. Although skating shoes is completely wonderful. But it's out of print.
Thank you.
Kathleen Kelly. I swear it was like her name was in the air, Joe.
Just like that.
Everyone was talking about her today. Kathleen Kelly and her situation. And I was thinking that she'd make a great children's book editor.
What makes you think that?
Well, she knows everything. She has flawless taste. She's famous for it. You know, the salesmen swear by her. If she likes the book, it sells. Period.
집으로 향하던 엘리베이터 안. 덜컹거리는 소리와 함께 엘리베이터가 멈춰서고 마는데
If I ever get out of here, I'm gonna start speaking to my mama.
한 여성의 갑작스러운 고해성사를 시작으로 사람들은 저마다 가슴속에 품어둔 소망들을 꺼내놓기 시작하죠.
I'm marrying a Reed. I love her. I should marry her. I don't know what's been stopping me.
If I ever get out of here, I'm having my eyes lasered.
Well, if I ever get out of here.
Where are my Tic Tacs? What?
I came home tonight and got into the elevator to go to my apartment. An hour later, I got out of the elevator, and Brinkley and I moved out. Suddenly, everything had become clear. It's a long story. There's a man sitting in the elevator with me who knew exactly what he wanted, and I found myself wishing I were as lucky as he.
캐슬리는 갑작스레 찾아온 낯선 요유에 천천히 적응해 나가고 있었죠.
My store is closing this week. I own a store. Did I ever tell you that? It's a lovely store. And in a week, it will be something really depressing, like a baby Gap. I'm heartbroken. I feel as if a part of me has died, and my mother has died all over again. And no one can ever make it right.
텅 빈 서점을 쓸쓸한 마음으로 눈에 담던 그때 한편 캐슬린에 대한 마음이 걷잡을 수 없이 커진 존은 가상세계 속 그가 아닌 현실 속 자신의 모습으로 캐슬린에게 다가갑니다.
Hello.
Hello. What are you doing here?
I heard you were sick, and I was worried. And I wanted to make...
Hey, you put me out of business.
Yes, I did.
Did you come to gloat?
No,
To offer me a job?
I would never...
Because I have plans. I have plenty of offers. You know, I got offered a job by...
By my
Well,
former...
yeah, actually by... Oh, your former?
We broke up.
Oh, well, that's too bad. You were so perfect for each other. Oh. I don't mean to say things like that. No matter what you've done to me, there's no excuse for my saying anything like that. But every time I see you...
Things like that just fly out of your mouth.
Yes.
I brought you flowers.
Oh. Thank you.
존은 조심스럽게 거리를 좁혀가기 시작하는데
I wanted to be your friend.
Oh.
I knew it wasn't possible. What can I say? Sometimes a guy just wants the impossible.
Hey, I hardly think I need to take advice from a person who...
No, I concede I bring out the worst in you. But let me just help you to not say something you're just going to torture yourself about for years to come. I hope you feel better soon. You'd be ashamed to miss New York in the spring.
그의 따스한 변화에 낯선 설레임이 잔잔하게 번져오죠.
I've been thinking about this, and I think we should meet.
We should meet. And we will meet. But I'm in the middle of a project that needs...
In New York City, ain't it wonderful to be where I've always...
존은 현실과 온라인을 오가며 캐슬린에게 진심을 보이려 노력하는데
So how's your book coming?
Well, there's this children's book editor I know from this store, and she's excited to read it when I'm finished.
Well?
Who would ever have thought that I would write? I mean, if I hadn't had all this time,
Huh?
you know what?
What?
The truth is that he was the one who started me thinking about writing.
존은 너스레를 떨며 자신의 칭찬을 능청스럽게 즐기죠.
Well, I keep on bumping into you.
Yeah. I think it is. Hey, you want to bump into me on, say, Saturday around lunchtime?
Yeah.
Over there? Good. How about meeting Saturday? 4 o'clock. There's a place in Riverside Park at 91st Street where the path curves and there's a garden. Brinkley and I will be waiting.
어느새 두 사람이 약속한 날이 찾아오고
If I hadn't been Fox Books and you hadn't been the shop around the corner, and you and I had just Oh, met.
I know.
Yeah. Yeah. I would have asked for your number. And I wouldn't have been able to wait 24 hours before calling you up and saying, hey, how about some coffee or, drinks or dinner or a movie? For as long as we both shall live.
갑작스러운 그의 고백에 캐슬리는 어쩔 줄을 모르죠.
Joe?
And you and I would never have been at war. And the only thing we'd fight about would be which video to run on a Saturday night.
Well, who fights about that?
Well, some people.
I gotta go.
Well, let me ask you something. How can you forgive this guy for standing you up and not forgive me for this tiny little thing? I'm putting you out of business. Oh, how I wish you would.
I really have to go.
Yeah, well, you don't want to be late.
캐슬리는 복잡한 마음을 안고 약속 장소로 향하는데 그 순간 그녀의 눈에 거짓말처럼 조의 모습이 들어오죠.
Don't cry, shop girl. Don't cry.
I wanted it to be you. I wanted it to be you so bad.
Up.